Google just dropped 5 new Gemini updates, and one of them lets you talk to someone in another country in their own language while it still sounds exactly like you. Another one lets you type a sentence and walk around inside a 3D world that didn't exist 10 seconds ago. Most people haven't even noticed this happen yet, and that's exactly why you need to hear it now. I'm the AI voice clone of Fred. He runs an AI powered online course business and he makes videos on the latest AI news so you're always up to date. If you want to learn how Fred made over 5 grand in 48 hours, he's made a free course, link in description. You can also book a free one-to-one call with Fred or a member of the team, and we'll give you a custom step-by-step roadmap for you to get to $10,000 a month and more using AI. Spots are limited. Gemini is Google's family of AI models, and it's the brain running a lot of Google's tools now. Search, their meeting app, the research assistant, all of it. So when Google upgrades that brain, every single tool sitting on top of it gets smarter overnight. You don't install anything, you don't learn a new app. It just gets better while you're using it like normal. First update, and you'll probably use this one first, it's called Gemini Live Translate. Google built a new audio model that translates your speech into another language in close to real time, and we're talking over 70 languages now. The old version inside Google Meet only handled 5 languages, and it had to route everything through English first. This new version handles over 2,000 language combinations directly, no English step in the middle. Here's the part that actually got my attention. It keeps your voice, your tone, your pacing, your pitch. It still sounds like you, just speaking another language. And it doesn't wait for you to finish your sentence before it starts translating. It streams the translation a few seconds behind you while you're still talking, so the conversation actually flows like a real conversation instead of a stop and go robot exchange. For Google Meet, this is rolling out as a private preview to business customers first, with a wider release later this year. But here's what you can use right now, today. It's already live inside the Google Translate app on Android and iPhone everywhere. Plug in any pair of headphones and it streams the translation straight to you. And on Android, there's a new listening mode. You just hold your phone up to your ear like a normal phone call, and the translated audio plays right through the earpiece. No headphones at all. Think about who that actually helps. Anyone working with people in other countries, anyone traveling, anyone learning a new language. That barrier just got a lot smaller basically overnight. Second update, and this one's big. Notebook LM is Google's research assistant. You upload your documents, your notes, your sources, and it answers questions based only on what you gave it. It doesn't go pull random stuff off the internet. Google just upgraded the whole thing to run on Gemini 3.5, and it went from a smart note reader into something that actually does work for you. Every notebook now comes with its own secure cloud computer running in the background. That means it's not just reading your documents anymore. It can write and run actual code to dig into the numbers sitting inside them. Google says it's packed with more than 100 built-in skills, and it figures out on its own which ones a task actually needs. And then there's the output, which is the part that makes this real. You can now ask it to hand you back actual finished files, PDF reports with charts and tables already built, spreadsheets, slide decks, images, CSV and JSON files if that's what you need for other software. And you can ask it to edit those files after it makes them, the same way you'd ask a person to fix one slide. Google ran its own tests, old version against new version, and the new one won more than 65% of the time. On deep research and big document analysis, specifically, the gap got even wider. So picture this. You dump in a messy pile of sources, it reads all of it, runs the actual analysis, and hands you back a finished report or a slide deck instead of just a paragraph of text. Google is expanding Notebook LM access to the European Economic Area, the UK and Switzerland. Sounds small, but it means Google isn't locking its best tools inside one country anymore. So if you felt left out before, that's changing. By the way, if you want to learn the exact system I've used to make over 5 grand in 48 hours using AI and online courses, I've made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I did that step by step, so you can just copy me. The link is in the description below. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below. Third, update, and this one's the fun one. It's called Project Genie, an experimental tool out of Google DeepMind that lets you build interactive 3D worlds, not videos, actual worlds you can step into. You type a sentence, something like a quiet forest at sunset, and it generates a 3D environment where the water actually flows and the light actually changes as you move through it. There are three ways to use it. World sketching, where you describe what you want, and it builds a version you can keep tweaking with words. Add a mountain, add a fence, just by typing. Exploration, where you actually go inside it, first person or third person, walking, riding, even flying through it. And remixing, where you take an existing world and change it with plain language, swap the time of day, swap a character. Now, I'll be straight with you, this one's early. It's a research prototype, it needs Google's top tier plan right now, and it's limited to certain regions, but it shows you exactly where this is all heading. The line between describing something and actually building it is disappearing, and the last ones, for the more technical crowd, it's called diffusion Gemma. Most AI models write text one word at a time, left to right. This one generates whole blocks of text at once and then refines them, kind of like how an AI image starts blurry and sharpens into focus. The payoff is speed, up to 4 times faster, and it's light enough to run on a good gaming graphics card on your own computer, no cloud needed. Google's upfront that it still trails their main model on pure quality, but for fast editing and quick drafts, it's a real look at where this is heading. So that's 5 updates in 1 week. A translator that keeps your actual voice, a research tool that now does the work instead of just reading about it, and a tool that builds entire 3D worlds from a sentence. If you're only going to try one thing today, start with the Translate app. You'll feel it working in about 30 seconds. If you're serious about making money online with AI digital products, I made a 100% free course that shows you exactly how I do that, step by step, click by click, so you can just copy me. It's completely free and you can get it by clicking on the link in the description of this video. And if you want deeper guidance from me, you can also apply to book a free one-on-one call. On that call, I will give you a customized roadmap for you to start making money with an AI digital product. No previous experience needed. Spots fill up fast, so book yours now. All the links are in the description below this video.